Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Leos, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first, Leos. So today we have Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Pentacles. So Leos, you are quite happy about something. You are confident. You see your circumstances are good. You may see some opportunities today. And in your career, you have a lot of offers coming to you. Maybe some projects or some assignments, something making you very happy, content. And the same way in your relationship, there is something making you very happy today. You love this person. You may have a level of understanding with this person. But today, you know the truth about this love. You know what is the reason for certain circumstances in your life. What is the reason why this person is behaving this way, or what is the reason for them talking to you in a particular manner. You love them. You have faith on this person. You trust this person, but there are certain things they are speaking that would have hurt you a lot and that would have pained you a lot. But today, the reason for their words or behavior is coming into light. And maybe there is someone telling you the truth, or you have a better understanding of this person. So today you know what you need to do, maybe what you need to decide on this love, whether you want to go towards commitment or whether you want marriage. So you have clarity, and that is the reason you are very happy today. It may be it may be the words they are telling you, it may be the information they are giving you about them, or about their intentions, whatever it is. So whatever was obstructing, maybe it was this person or it was the circumstances itself, something was the reason for you not learning the truth. But today all that is clearing up, and you know what is the truth, what is this person, and whether you want this love or not. So you are making a big decision today, Leos, and it's a truthful decision. It's a honest decision. It may be a painful it may be a painful time for you. You never expected this to happen, but still it is the truth and you need to go for it. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Seven of Cups. So you would have had a lot of dreams or fantasies about this love, but today you are stepping into action. That is the reason for this big decision today. You cannot just dream and wait and spend time, waste time in your fantasies. You want that in reality. And this is the first step you are taking towards your dreams and goals. And that is the reason for this big decision you are making today, Leos, in your situation. So that is the energy here with these cards for your relationship. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Temperance. So in your work, you know what will work, what will be the right way, and you are finding that balance, maybe adapting, maybe some new changes are coming. You are changing yourself to do better, to do the best in your career. So whatever difficulties you saw in your career, you are trying to work in a different way to manage, to succeed, no matter what circumstances you are seeing in your career situation, Leos. So you are going to be really successful. All you need to do is some minor adjustments in your career. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Kyanite. It's a crystal spirit card. So with this card, the energy is that maybe we may feel that we are the ones with the best ideas or best solution in any situation. But this crystal is here to remind us that we need to be a better person today. We need to be really diplomatic. Try to connect with another person in a very mutual way, in a loving way. So there is a reason for you to be with this person right now. So this crystal just asks us to connect with the other person, honor their views and ideas, just like you wish for that person to honor your views and ideas, and learn to be very much diplomatic. So instead of trying to sway this other person's decision with logic, we can try it out with love. Reach out to them with love and try to find harmony in our relationship. And there is a reason you have attracted this person towards you. And maybe if you feel that you are the one doing all the emotional work and this person is not being responsible, this crystal also gives that energy that you can end that relationship. You can say no. If you feel that you have done so much but still there is no way you can find that balance in this relationship, so it is okay to say no. It is your choice to free yourself from conflict. So this crystal spirit just asks us to be better, to be diplomatic. Try to do your best in any relationship. Try to find that harmony and balance. And meditating with this crystal just clears, detoxes all our chakra points and brings harmony in our situation. And it is a crystal that promotes diplomacy. So, being really friendly and respecting the other person, just like you wish for everyone to respect you. So, we must have that energy today. So, that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So, let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So, with this card for y'all today, maybe we need to let go of all our expectations in our life today, in our relationship. Maybe what is meant to be ours will never be withheld from us. So, miracles are right here and it will show up at the right time. And love, the same way, love will be right on time. So, just like our physical body that has a particular cycle, a particular productive cycle, everything has its season, and love is divine, and at that appropriate timing, everything will unfold as it should. And remember that you always have time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give and receive love. And this clock is eternal, just like the beating of the heart. So, whatever is the most apt relationship, whatever connection is most suitable for you, it will come at that right time, and love is always on time. So you can just relax, give up your anxiety, and divine appropriate timing is working in your relationship, and you can relax. That is the energy here with this card. So you may have some worries thinking about this love, why situation is going in a particular way, and what is the reason you are not yet engaged, or you are not stepping up into a committed relationship yet, or you are not finding the person you love. You need to understand that at that divine appropriate timing, everything will fall into place. You can just relax and have that trust in your situation. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.